The GoolRC F540 4370KV motor is engineered with a precision design that makes it ideal for 1/10 scale RC cars, offering an exceptional balance of power and control. Constructed from CNC-machined 66061T6 billet aluminum, the motor's heatsink enhances durability and ensures efficient heat dissipation during intense usage. The motor's high-purity copper windings maximize efficiency and energy conversion, while its precision-balanced rotor ensures smooth operation even at high speeds. This motor and ESC combination provides seamless compatibility and optimal performance, eliminating the hassle of purchasing mismatched components separately. GoolRC offers reliable after-sales service, ensuring that any issues or queries regarding the motor and ESC are promptly addressed by professionals. The robust design and high torque capabilities make this motor a perfect choice for modification enthusiasts looking to tackle tough terrains with their RC cars.